Dada, quiet. So noisy, ah. Can you keep quiet? It's not time to eat. It's very early. Nagwala na yung itim. Hindi ko pinansin. Hindi ko pinansin na may kinukuha siya sa akin. Hindi nagbabark na. Ganyan yan siya. Pag di mo pansinin, magpapansin talaga yan. Yung itim ko na aso, very naughty. Very naughty. Naughty boy. What are you doing? Very naughty, ah. Tinago niya yung rubber. Tinago niya yung rubber, guys. Nilagay niya sa loob ng higaan niya. Sa ilalim ng higaan niya. Very clever this girl. Ano? Where did you put my rubber, ha? Tata? Where did you put my rubber? Bibi? Where did you put my rubber? You know? Where your brother put my rubber, huh? Ay, you're so clever, baby. You're so smart. You're so smart. Yung puti naman na aso. Parang siya yung taga-sumbong. Siya yung taga-sumbong sa akin. Nagbabark yan sa akin pag hindi ko pinansin yung brother niya na may kinukuha. Kasi alam niya, bigyan ko sila ng threat para makuha ko yung bagay. La 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 la. No, I don't want that. It's yours already, Dodong. That's yours. It's all yours, okay? Say thank you to me. That's all yours. That's all yours, Dodong. Dodong, naughty boy. You are so naughty. Yes, you are so naughty boy. Naughty boy.